like I've been one of them, but like it's just so funny. It's like why?
Well, I don't even know. Like, do you mean like 2D or just the same song?
Like actual 2D.
Oh, that's actually fun.
This is so funny to me because it's also so bad.
Yeah, 2D and Roblox ain't it? Yeah, no. I'm here.
Now they like
I have a.
it has like 2D sections that are like sometimes pretty good.
Actually, a max. Found a swole dragon sword.
Still your indie trigger, right?
Nope.
Okay, that one. Yeah, I was about to say. There's
Unless
like
it's in the card or something.
It might be.
I don't even remember if I had
I
it.
think the drone that makes stuff indestructible would also be indestructible, huh?
Yeah, but I mean that'd be too okay.
Just wait on the dragon skull because I don't want to risk it.
Yeah, that needs an indie or just carefulness.
The dragon skull must be like so old for it to be that fragile.
For real. Oh, heart hugger. Time to die now, bitch.
Okay, I beat the map. That's nice. But I want to get the medal, so